All right, so today I wanted to go over some of the features of the Gorilla Grow Tent and show you guys why we have been the #1 grow tent in the industry for almost over a decade. First, let's start off with the 1680D Fabric. We are the thickest fabric in the industry. You'll see a lot of people claiming 2000D Fabric, but actually a lot of those tents are actually thinner than ours. R16D Fabric is the strongest of any tent out on the market. We have the easy view windows in front. We've got 2 of them. They're nice large windows, so you can pull this tab down, peek in, see what your ladies are doing, and then fully light seal it back up. We by far have the strongest zippers in the industry. I have a few tents myself that have been going for almost 10 years now, and the zippers are still working flawlessly. Opening up the tent, we have a convenient tool pouch right inside the tent that you can put scissors, a TDS meter, whatever it is that you want that's quick, easy access when you open up your grow tent. We have multiple ducting ports and electrical ports in our tents that are intelligently designed to be in line with where most of this equipment would normally sit. We have in this 5x5, we have a 22 millimeter metal frame that can hold up to 300 pounds, strongest in the industry. On all sides, we have these vents that have a micro mesh liner in them to make sure that bugs stay out. On the back of the tent, we have a full secondary zip door so that you can access your plants from the back of the tent. All of our tents are height adjustable, so you have the extension kit that you can take in or put in or take out, which lowers the tent by an entire foot. We also sell 2-foot extension kits that you can add in to go up yet another foot, which would make this tent a whopping 8'11". All of our ports have 2 layers. One that sits on the outside of the tent, one that sits on the inside of the tent, that both cinch tight, ensuring that no light leaks out when you have your ducting coming out of your tent. All of the electrical ports have the same design. So all these features combined are what have made Gorilla Grow Tent the #1 grow tent in the industry for over a decade.